Taking care of your teeth can seem tedious to people, but that effort will be more than worth not having to deal with things like tooth erosion or decay down the line. Not only can regaining your tooth enamel be difficult, but it can be a really long journey. So rather than having to deal with the consequences, it's much easier to learn about the causes of tooth enamel loss and what small changes to your lifestyle can help preserve your pearly whites. A really common way that teeth dissolve is by drinking the wrong things, and unfortunately most people don't really know what drinks can do this before they begin drinking them. There are a lot of different kinds of drinks that dissolve teeth, some of which may be very surprising. That's why today we're covering 5 drinks that will dissolve your teeth, so make sure to stick around through the whole list so you're not left out of the loop. Number 1. Fruit juice. Most people don't consider that natural drinks can still cause harm to your body, and unfortunately fruit juice can seriously hurt your teeth. There are definitely health benefits that can come from drinking fruit juice, like improvements to your digestive system and a boost to your body's natural defenses. But experts recommend that you always go for eating fruit and not drinking it. The amount of added sugar in most fruit juices also makes the sugar levels not that much better than sodas or other carbonated treats that should not be a huge part of your daily diet. If you're really craving that fruit flavor, reach for the real thing and not the processed juice version. Number 2. Flavored water. The acidity level in your typical bottle of flavored water is enough that it could potentially cause enamel erosion and even tooth decay. Even though many of these flavored waters like Propel boast that they have 0 calories and that they have a better taste than regular water, that couldn't be further from the truth. Many of these products have high sugar counts and low pH levels, meaning that your teeth will be paying a steep toll with these water replacements. Most experts agree that instead of buying products that doctor up water, try to do it yourself. Adding lemon, strawberry, or other cut-up fruit can help add some taste to your typical glass of water without having to deal with putting your body under more stress. You can also add mint or aloe vera if you want to add some herbs that have anti-anxiety functions as well to clear your mind. Number 3. Soda. We all knew that soda was going to pop up on a list like this. The carbonation king has become a part of daily life for many people, but as you know, this isn't the healthiest option on the planet by any means. Most sodas, diet or not, high in sugar or not, are unhealthy for your teeth. This is because the carbonation combines with the water to create carbonic acid, which is why sodas can give you that weird feeling around your teeth. The pH levels for a can of soda are very low, and drinking soda often can start to hurt the enamel and begin to erode your teeth over months or years. This isn't to say that you can never have a can of soda again, but it's important to be mindful of the effects that soda can have on your teeth. These drinks overall don't have a lot of positive benefits on your body, and specialists will always recommend limiting your intake levels to make sure you avoid any long-term side effects. Number 4. Iced tea. Interestingly enough, hot tea has a pretty low acidity count and doesn't nearly strain your teeth and mouth as iced tea does. When it comes to brands, the more sugary, the more they will hurt your teeth's natural lining, with Snapple being better for your teeth than Lipton Brisk. Iced tea isn't as bad for you as soda can be, but because of the carbonation levels and high amount of water, it still does tend to be a little more acidic for your teeth than they would probably like. Number 5. Bottled lemonade. Next up on our list is one that you probably feel on your teeth whenever you drink a store-bought lemonade. These sugary sweet drinks are known to be some of the fastest to dissolve your teeth if regularly consumed, and can result in a lot of tooth issues down the road. Drinking a bottle or can of lemonade can give your mouth an almost metallic taste, and this is because of the super high amount of acidity mixing with the carbonic acid in the drink. Lemons, being a citrus fruit, are some of the most acidic fruits in the world, and just don't seem to translate well to a mass-produced environment in the way that other ingredients do. Most dentists recommend sticking to a more natural lemonade if you are going to have it at all, because no matter how you cut it, this is going to be a very acidic and sugary beverage. Are there any drinks that make your teeth hurt? Leave us a comment and let us know. Here are 2 more videos you might find interesting. Feel free to choose the one you like. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos on health, subscribe to the channel.